If you're looking for the best woodworking clamps, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps. The IRWIN Quick Grip Clamp Set will give you an assortment of 8 mini clamps that you can use right away. The set comes with 6 one-handed bar clamps and 2 handy clamps. The mini clamps use a pistol grip design, so you can hold down wood with one hand while applying the clamp with the other. The size of these clamps is also ideal for smaller projects when space is an issue, so there should be enough to use in a variety of projects. Number 2. Bessey BPC H34 3/4 inch H-style pipe clamp. The H-style clamp is a tool of choice for many projects that have small pieces to clamp together. The Bessey PCB H34 includes a large span to fit thick pieces and large rubber pads at each end to protect the wood. The base of the clamp will keep it stable as you work with smaller handheld pieces. With a clamp like this, you can work with short pieces of wood or pipe when you need to join more pieces together than you have hands for. Number 3. Can-Do Clamp. One area they fall short is corner joining. For projects like small framing, furniture construction, or doweling, a corner clamp like the MLCS 9001 Can-Do is required. The Can-Do works as a jig where you can fit 2 wooden pieces together precisely. The sliding T-handle adjusts to apply force directly to the corner, so you can reliably glue and hold the pieces together as it dries. You can also mount the clamp to a work table for extra stability. The setup is quick and easy to use. Number 4. Yost Tools F124 24 inch F-clamp. It has an ergonomic and plastic handle for better clamping power and better comfort. You can also use this clamp to stabilize different shapes of the workplace by using a swivel jaw pad. When you're working with delicate materials of wood, you do not need to worry, because this product features a plastic cap that can prevent damage for your wood bar. The comfort grip handles are Number 5. Pony 50 Pipe Clamp. Pony always offers you the best quality products, and this pipe clamp is one of them. The Pony clamp could be the best clamp not only for woodworking, but also metalworking, frame assembling, and industrial projects. It's easy to use with 3 steps. Screw the head assembly into the pipe thread at one end, slide the tail stop into the pipe at the other end, and close the coil spring. Besides, it's interchangeable from different lengths of a workpiece. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.